Hello, I am Deepak Fadnis. Welcome to this series of translations of the Abhangas of Saint Tukaram from Marathi into English. As you may be aware, Saint Tukaram is very well known in Maharashtra. We call him with love Jagadguru Sant Shiromani Shri Tukaram Maharaj. And the world knows him only his name. And what I would like to do is, I would like to let the world know what is the greatness of Tukaram, how nicely he loved God, and what beautiful poetry he has written in the form of Abhanga Gatha. So I have taken this initiative to translate the Abhangas into English. I hope you will like them. First, we will translate 420 and after that 421. First, let me read the Abhanga in Marathi. तुझा दास मज म्हणती अंकित अवघे सकळिक लहान थोर हेची आता लागे करावे जतन तुझे थोरपण तुझ देवा होऊनी निर्भर राहिलो निश्चिंत पावन पतित नाम तुझे करिता तुझ होय डोंगराची राई न लगता काही पात्या पाते तुका म्हणे तुझ काय ती आशंका तारिता मशका मज दीना. That's a question he is asking in the end. Saint Tukaram wants to meet God under any circumstances, and he uses several different logical arguments, yes, to convince God to meet him and to rescue him from this material ocean. In this Abhanga, he gives two logical reasons why God must save him and bless him. First logic is that all people around him are calling him as a great servant of God, as a great lover of God. So now God must preserve his honor, God must protect his name, and in order to do that, God must bless him, God must save him from the material ocean, save him from drowning in the ocean. The second point is he's saying he's like a small insect. He says, I am like a small insect. Is it really impossible for you, God, to bless me and to liberate me? And in the end, he says it is very. This, I think that is the second point. Sorry. Is it really impossible for God to bless him and liberate him? It is very interesting to read Gatha because of such Abhangas. This type of beautiful Abhangas can be found in Gatha, hundreds of them or thousands of them. And so one must read Gatha. Now let us see the translation one line at a time. The first line, तुझा दास मज म्हणती अंकित अवघे सकळिक लहान थोर. All children and elderly people are calling me servant of you. My God, they are calling me your servant, your most ardent servant. And second line, हेची आता लागे करावे जतन तुझे थोरपण तुझ देवा. Now, God, you must show for sure that you are very great and you must protect your own image. The third line, होऊनी निर्भर राहिलो निश्चिंत पतित पावन नाम तुझे. I have relaxed completely. I have completely kept aside all my worries. Now I have not kept any worry with me. All worries are gone because another name of yours is Savior of the sinner. Now you are the Savior of the sinner and I am your servant. I pray, I chant your name, and people are calling me as a great servant of Lord. So why should I worry? There is no worry now. And in the fourth line, करिता तुझ होय डोंगराची राई न लगता काही पात्या पाते. Here he is giving a great argument why he must be saved. He says, if you decide you can change a small mustard seed into a big mountain in the wink of an eye, before somebody closes and opens the eyelid, you can convert a seed as small as mustard into a great big mountain. God, this is the kind of capacity you have. You are so great. And so, in the end, तुका म्हणे तुझ काय ती आशंका तारिता मजका मशका मज दीना. Tuka says, Oh God, is it impossible for you to rescue and liberate me from the bondage? Is it impossible? No, it is possible, it is possible, it is possible. Now, the way Tukaram Maharaj is trying to convince God is that he has the capacity to do impossible things, then why is he not saving me? Tukoba is saying that he's a just small fry. He says, I'm just a small fry. Mashaka. Mashaka is a very small insect. And God must rescue him. He is helpless, so God must rescue him.